Hey there, welcome back to Umbraco Learning Base. My name is Isha, and in today's video, we'll look at the secrets management feature in Umbraco Cloud. Secrets management enables you to store your secrets securely in Azure Key Vaults. You can access this feature if you're on a standard plan or higher. Let's go to our cloud project and add a secret key. We'll go to the settings section and click on Secret Management. Currently, I've added a secret for each environment. Let's add a secret to the development environment. I'll click on Edit Secrets and click on Add Secret. Here, I'll enter a key called API key and provide a value for it. And click on Add Secret. If you wish to update the secret value, you can click on Update and enter the new value. And click on Update Secret. Once you're happy with the changes, you can click on Save Secrets. You'll get a notification saying that the environment will be restarted. Once it's done, you can view the secret here. Every environment has its own key vault, and the secured values can only be accessed by the associated environment. What if you're working locally and want to store your secrets? When you develop locally, you cannot access secrets that are stored in the key vault associated with a cloud environment. For handling secrets locally, you can go to the app settings.development.json file. We'll add the key value pair here. For example, let's say I want to add the API key value that I just entered in the cloud environment. So I'll say API key and enter the value and save the file. You must ensure not to commit this file to the code repository or ignore it via the git ignore file. And that's pretty much it. You'll now never have to worry about exposing the most sensitive information of your Umbraco Cloud solution in your code repositories. Go ahead and give it a try. I'll see you soon with another video.